Hi everyone.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. It's Maray Philippines. It's Saturday afternoon and we're here in Terminal 21 and later we're going to Naklua.
Yes, we just finished it in the Terminal 21 and I communication with our friend. He live in Naklua in Sky Beach condominium and we will visit him right now, and also our another friend Nicholas. He also already in Naklua, but I not take my backpack with my camera. That's why Shaira will stay in the Terminal 21. She don't want come back to hotel. And I bring camera with backpack. And we will take already jeepney to Naklua. Shaira will sit near lion. Okay, Shaira, I will go. Okay, you just wait me. Bye. I'll go outside. Outside very hot. Today sunny day. Daytime in Soho town empty, don't have people. Time now 2 p.m. only. Just won't bring only backpack with power banks and camera only, also for night video, because usually I use iPhone for filming daytime, and if you go only very close from hotel. I hope we clean already the room. Yes, already clean the room. It's okay, good hotel. Small, but it's okay for change clothes, for charge phone and sleep. It's good. And location, very good. Shaira in Terminal 21 right now. What I usually bring with me: DJI Nano camera, power bank, Momax. It's for iPhone also and can charge any camera. Holder, this holder good also. Another holder is for iPhone for live stream. I bought before in Shenzhen. DJI Action, DJI Pocket 3, power bank for Pocket 3, and this one holder, it's a universal holder also for nano camera and for Osmo Action 6 also. And this one is just deodorant. It's good, small pocket size. Also I bring my PackSafe small bag and PackSafe backpack. Just little bit modification. If for hot season, very good with this part. It's I bought separate in Lazada. And of course I bring jacket if I go to a cold place like hypermarket, supermarket, or cold place with aircon. And I like this Telesin for DJI Nano because it's universal magnetic. can use together with screen and without also, and also can charge with this charger USB Type-C. Recommended, is really good. So this is my setup for daytime and nighttime video. Nighttime, daytime. Also use in the, if I use motorcycle, also it's good. But nighttime I try DJI Nano. Also it's okay. It's not so bad, but it's okay, good video. Okay, ready to go. Shaira waiting for me, and we will take jeepney to North Pattaya. Need close window because maybe rain will start. Usually in hot countries in China I use Salomon because it's amphibian. You can walk in the water and fast dry. Okay, let's go. Do not disturb. When I walk through massage, lady boy, if I walk alone without Shaira or Shaira behind of me, lady boys always try to touch me, my hand, but I don't want to walk nearby. Yes, I move to the road because they always, I don't know why they try to touch, I really don't understand. No, they need customers, of course, it's okay, but Shaira don't like also if someone touch me. I will message to Shaira and say she will go to outside. So outside gate 1. I can see Shaira outside gate 1. Don't have Shaira there. I message in advance and call to her, and I cannot see her. Yes, don't have, even inside don't have Shaira. I don't know. I don't want to stay more time and cold. That's why I say to her go outside. Shaira already outside. Because she thinks main gate is gate 2, but she wait out gate 2. I said gate 1. Gate 1 is another gate. Shaira, this gate 1 and this is gate 2, you see, gate 2.
Yeah, I know.
But why you waiting near gate 2?
Because for a long time. So
Long?
hold out.
Okay. Okay, we will take jeepney now. And I forgot to bring chocolate. I've been in hotel and I forgot bring chocolate. It's okay, we will come back again because our flight is March 18 evening and we have time after checkout hotel. We will go to our friend last day. Yeah, again blogger Shaira. Apex Hospital Clinics. Jeepney. Okay, Shaira. Na Kloa. Okay.